So that's very much a matter for the European Central Bank. I respect their independence and their autonomy fully. But the challenge that we have is one that has to be shared between budgetary policy and the decisions that are made with regard to interest rates and the supply of money. And the Eurogroup on 2 occasions now has explicitly recognised that decisions that we make at budget level shouldn't make the job of getting inflation down harder. And it's why we have recommitted to saying that very broad measures that boost demand within economies were appropriate last year, were certainly appropriate 2 years before it, but are no longer appropriate now.
Can I ask just on the domestic issue of evictions? Obviously the government facing a number of votes next week. Do you or the ministers have a handle on the level of evictions that you're expecting over the coming months? Ministers have said they expect it to increase, that that's inevitable. But specifically, what sort of level of evictions are you expecting?
So I don't have a briefing on the eviction risks that could develop in the months ahead beyond that which the Minister for Housing has already shared. So I know as we approach the aftermath of the moratorium ending, there is a heightened risk of tenancies no longer being maintained, but I don't have any new figures with regard to it.
Do we have any sense of the sort of level at all?
I can't give an indication of that beyond what the Minister for Housing has already said. I don't have any new information on it. Okay? Okay, see you later on.
Great.
See you now. Thanks, Nat.